Oh, I didn't see you. Hi guys, we're back. My name is Alart Naju and we're gonna unbox the Lego Warriors. I have my buddy here, Robot. His full body is not fixed. So I just built his head. There's something else. Yep, there is. It's just a grass. It's grass. Jut, 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 jut. Do this, do this, and this. Get it all off. Get out of there. Do not have to cut this. Go. This is a barrel. This is a helmet of a horse. It's a deeper. No. Do not. These two. And there, put it like, I'm just going to put it in the bottom so I can see it. That. This other one. This. Oh, I hate ants. But I do not hate Ant-Man. Oh, wait. Oh, there is the second. I do not see that. It is very sneaky. 1, 2 of these. 2 of these. I think this is prison bars. Next are the prison bars. Here, where are we gonna put this? I guess we're gonna put it right. This one must be like here. No, pussy, get up. And 2 of these, I think this is dirt. This brick over here. Oh. It has to be like that. Yeah. Ouch. And I'm gonna tell you that this is not for babies. If babies place this, they will swallow it and they will die. And why is this wiggling? Oh yep, I know this one again. Yeah. You have to just use this and put it like there. You have to attach this one to here and just put this thing right here. Like right here. You have to attach this to the other one so we can make it like this. I think it's turning into the same here. There we go. Put this in the middle. Where's the middle? Is this the middle? There we go. Put the other one, like leave one over there. And over here. There we go. Nope, leave one. And leave one. Make it like a V and put it right over here. Like that. That's more easier than just put it like that and I think somebody's going upstairs. Oh yeah, somebody's going upstairs. Hey, I'm just fixing the humans so they can be alive. But I'm not gonna use this because I'm use the girl because I want the boy to be a ninja because that's awesome. Shibbly chains. Oh yeah, it says these 2. It says we have to just put these 2 in there. These things. These are things. Let's get the boxes and put it into the shred. We're just gonna put it right here. Okay, we're gonna put it right here. So that's why they do not put it. There we go. Got that. Oh yes, finally. Yes, it is. Get in there. And the next one. Woo! Put the barrel right here. The barrel there. And the flowers, you have to fix the flowers. So white one goes here. And let's put the flag on. This is exciting. Dun, 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 dun. It's renounced, claimed by the knights. Yeah, so let's make the figurine. Guys, in the ending, just pretend that the like button is a ninja that's stealing your likes. You have to smack it. It's this. I cannot put the hand. So if it's not working, so I'm just gonna switch the hand, and I'm gonna make him hold the katana. That's awesome. Katanas are awesome. Oh wait, first I'm gonna make him hold the katana. Whoa, that's awesome. So I'm gonna make him hold the trident too. I think the trident's awesome because look at Aquaman. He's awesome. I'm gonna call this guy Nick, and that's Schneck. Oh, that awesome trident, I feel it. Now he's gone. He's just in there. So he's gonna go back. Oh! So let's go get the girls. There we go, let's snap right in there. Can she hold the guitar? Oh! Get this guy out. So now we can just play with it. With the whole thing. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye. Now I'm gonna bow and arrow.